So let's look at case 3 wherein you have angle of incidence being equal to 0. So what do you think happens? Any idea? Well, it will just go through straight. No bending, nothing. It will just go through straight. Okay. A ray traveling along the normal direction at a boundary is not refracted. As simple as that. So let me show you guys the first example. So what we're looking at is oil and water. So you can clearly see a ray which is perpendicular to the boundaries. Okay, it was a very short video. So we saw that this is your boundary, right? Let me show it part by part. So this is your boundary. Okay, this is oil, by the way, and this is water. So we can see clearly a straight beam of light. What is happening to that? Nothing. No bending. It's just coming straight perpendicular. Okay, so along the line of the normal. So angle of incidence is 0 and angle of refraction is also 0. Right? So one more video relating to this is your pen in water. We saw that pen bent. It looked bent when we dip it at a particular angle. Right? But in the case of it being immersed perpendicular surface, what happens? So clearly we can see, right, a pen being kept perpendicular to the interface. You can see that it looks big, pen looked big, but it was not bent. Okay, so it was not bent to that extent. This is not exactly perpendicular to the surface, but yes, again, this is your boundary. That's your boundary, right? And this is your pen, where that's your pen. Okay, it's perpendicular to the, right? Perpendicular to the normal. I mean, perpendicular to the boundary. So angle of incidence over here is 0. Make sense? So if I had kept it up straight, a bit more up straight, it's almost straight, but if I kept it a bit more up straight, you would have not seen even the smallest bending that we are looking at over here. Okay. So this is another fact that you guys have to remember. Ray traveling along the normal direction at a boundary is not refracted. So please pause and make a note.